Negros Oriental State University, College of Criminal Justice Education, Department of Criminology, Gawalingan City, Negros Oriental, 621 Philippines. Vision, mission, goals, and corporate values of Negros Oriental State University. Vision, a dynamic, competitive, and globally responsive state university. Mission, the university shall provide excellent instruction, relevant and responsive research and extension services. And quality assured production through competent and highly motivated human capital. Goals, Negros Oriental State University strive to advance NORSO and national development through competitive partnership. O. Opportunity lead and access to poor but deserving student. R. Research-based and competency-driven instruction. S. Scholarship and innovation. U. University and diversity of culture. Corporate values. Core values represent what we believe in giving character to our university. Operations. These are SAPPHIRE. S stands for spirituality, A stands for accountability, P stands for patriotism, H stands for harmony, I stands for integrity, R stands for respect, and E stands for excellence. Quality policy. Negros Oriental State University commits itself to provide quality instruction, research, extension, services, and production, as well as to comply with applicable regulatory requirements and continual improvements of its management system. Criminology, education, vision, mission, and objectives. Vision. The College of Criminal Justice Education is actively and continually involved in turning out graduates who will lead the nation in addressing the vital problems of crime control and in meeting the demands for global competitiveness. Mission. The College of Criminal Justice the mission. The College of Criminal Justice Education program commits itself in providing the community with professionally competent and morally upright graduates who can deliver efficient and effective service in the field of criminology. Objectives. In pursuance to the above stated mission, the Department of Criminology integrates and sequences courses of study, which are well planned. These courses of study utilize didactic instruction, discussion, demonstration, laboratory practice, simulation, individual and on-the-job training. The The following are the specific objectives of the department. Number 1. It seeks to provide vast opportunities in instruction and guided experience whereby students learn the basic knowledge and acquire the skills essential to the practice of criminology. Number 2. It provides the student with a broad cultural background and an understanding of the constitutional guarantees and due process requirements of law, insofar as they affect the total administration of justice. Number 3. It fosters higher concepts of citizenry, accountability, and leadership, and an understanding of one's moral and legal responsibilities to his fellow men, his community, and country. 4. It inspires the entities in the students the value of service to humanity. Number 5. It encourages research and inquiry in the fields of criminology and criminal justice. Criminology as a special course. A criminologist is any person who is graduate with a degree of criminology, who has passed the examination for criminologist and is registered as such by the Board of Examiners of the Professional Regulation Commission pursuant to RA 6506. Section 23 define the term criminologist as one who has been engaged in the practice of criminology. If he holds himself out of the public in any of the capacities as a professor, instructor, or teacher in criminology in any university, college, or school, duty recognized by the government. Pursuant also to RA 6506, Section 24, all certified criminologists shall be examined from any entrance or qualifying government examinations and shall be considered civil service eligible for the following positions: A. Fingerprint technician. B. Firearm examiner. C. Question document examiner. D. Correctional officer. E. Probation officer. F. Crime technician. Crime laboratory technician. G. Law enforcement photographer. H. Lie detector examiner. I. Agent in any law enforcement agency. J. Security officer. And K. Criminal investigator. Under the Civil Service Commission Resolution number 983022, criminologist eligibility would apply for appointment from the PNCO rank of the PO1 up to Police Commissioned Officer PCO with the rank of Police Superintendent. Republic Act 6975, Section 33 provides the licensed criminologist may be appointed to the initial rank of police inspector if there are vacancies. 11. General orders. To take charge of his post and all company's property in view and preserve the name with utmost diligence. Number 2. To walk during tour of duty in military manner, keeping always in the alert and observing anything that takes place within sight or hearing. Number 3. To report all violations of orders I am instructed to be enforced. Number 4. To report all calls from posts more distant from the guardhouse where I am stationed. Number 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. Number 6. To receive, obey, and pass out to the relieving guard all order from company officers or officials, superiors post in charge or shift leaders. Number 7. To talk to no one except in the line of duty. Number 8. To sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder. Number 9. To call the superior officer in any case not covered by instruction. Number 10, to salute all company officials, superiors in the agency, ranking public officials, and commission officer of the PNP, and officers of the PNP. Number 11, to be especially watchful at night and during the time of challenging to 11. To be especially watchful at night during the time of challenging to challenge all persons on or near my post and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority and to eat my meal before rendering my duty.